Leaf springs are a type of suspension system that has been used in cars for many years, especially on older trucks and cars. They are made up of several curved metal strips called plates that are stacked and held together by clamps or bolts. Plates are usually made of spring steel, which has the ability to bend and create a damping effect. Leaf springs are designed to support the vehicle's weight and absorb shocks and vibrations from the road. In the event of an impact or uneven surface, the leaf springs compress and expand to absorb the impact and provide a smoother ride. They also help distribute the weight of the vehicle evenly across the axles. One of the advantages of leaf springs is their simplicity and durability. They are less complex than other types of suspension systems, such as coil springs or air suspensions, and they can handle heavy loads and harsh conditions. Leaf springs are often used on trucks, heavy-duty utility vehicles or off-road driving. However, leaf springs can have some disadvantages. In general, they are not as comfortable as more advanced suspension systems, as they have limited vibration and shock absorption. They can also contribute to a stiffer ride than coil springs, especially when the vehicle is idle. In addition, leaf springs can be susceptible to rust and corrosion over time, especially in regions with extreme climates. In recent years, many modern passenger cars have ditched the leaf springs in favor of a more advanced suspension for better ride comfort and handling characteristics. However, leaf springs still have their place in some vehicle applications, especially on heavy trucks and off-road vehicles.